When installing ArmorWall panels, it is important to start from the center, working outwards to help alleviate any possible cupping. Fastener type and length will be dependent on the type of substructure ArmorWall panels will be installed over. Please refer to our installation guide for proper length. In this example, we'll be installing our 2-inch panel over an 18-gauge metal substructure, which will require the fasteners to penetrate at least 3 threads into the stud. Take care not to over-tighten fasteners to prevent any crushing damage to the panel or over-compression. Fasteners that miss a framing member should be removed and the hole repaired using DuPont Liquid Armor FJ sealant. The sealant must fully encapsulate the hole a minimum of ½ inch in all directions and be proud of the face of the ArmorWall panel. For off-cut panels, ideal installation is to use a cut which correctly spans the entire distance of the wall or meets the 2-stud minimum on each piece.